Good morning, children, and welcome back to English class. In the fresh mind, in the fresh mood, today we are going to learn a different topic, and that is related with music. The story which we are going to learn today, that is related with the music, and this chapter is about the pianist Matan. And students, the pianist Matan was born in Israel, and he was very famous. He became a famous musician who traveled all over the world. Even he performed in India. And before going to start this chapter, I like to give you some hints about the piano. Everybody you have seen the piano, and some of the students you can see the music concert. That means maximum number of musicians, they took part in the concert. They show their talent with their hands, with the finger, and with their hymns. So here I will show you some pictures, then we will enter to the chapter. Look at here. This is the first picture of the piano, and this was introduced by Bartolomeo Cristofori, and he was from Italy, and he introduced this piano in 1655. That means before 400, nearby 400 years ago, the man who introduced piano. But today we can see there are different type of piano. The next you can see on the screen, what is this? Yes, these are the keywords. These are the keywords. When you press the button, which is when you press the key button of piano, then you will see the different sound. You can listen the different sound. And here are some of the keys. They show the different hymns, the different sound, and the person who is playing the piano, he could able to know then how to compose the music or how to give the music on a particular song. Not only song, you can play without song also. In the music concert, you probably have seen the most of the pianists, they play with their track. They have some track, and in other word you can say this is the track. While you record a song, you can see the music track. Like this way, the piano has some different keywords. The sound, the background sound, the music, the high speech, low speech. Okay. So today we are going to learn about the pianist, and that is Matan. So students, I asked to all of you to please open your book, page number 57. On the page number 56 you can see this chapter name, but in the page number 7 we can see the story. So here I will read for you. Listen me carefully. We have all heard story about the great musical geniuses. The 18th century Australian composer Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart began playing the piano at the tender age of 4 and began composing his own little piece of music at the age of 5. The 19th century Hungarian composer Franz Liszt began learning to play the piano at the age of 6 and he played his first public concert at the age of 11. This tradition of musicians who have spent almost their whole life honing their craft has continued through the centuries, with modern musicians often having began learning to play an instrument very, very early in life. Look at here. We can see two pictures. Here we will see the two pictures of musician. One is here the Australian composer Wolfgang Amadeus, and the Australian composers. This man, when he was a boy, a young boy, and at the age of tender age, that means still you are long and you have a lack of experience. You are young but lack of experience. That means tender age of 4. Then he began to compose his little piece of music at the age of 5. He started to learn the piano at the age of 4, but at the age of 5, that means within 1 year, he started to compose the music. He started to give his own fingerprint. He started to give his own talent. And in the 19th century, that means the learning of piano, this story already started in the 18th century. And this learning of piano, the music, composing of music, this was done by a boy. Then we can see another picture. In the 19th century, one of the Hungarian men, Franz Liszt, began learning to play piano at the age of 6. See, this man started at the age of 5 and started giving the his own compose in the age of 5. And here one more Hungarian man, Franz Liszt, he started to learn the piano at the age of 6. And he played first public concert at the age of 11. That means after 5 years, he gave his show, and there was a public concert, and he played the first time in his public concert in the age of 11. And this tradition of musician who have spent almost their whole life honing. So those are interested in this field, in the particular field, to compose music. For them, and from the beginning to the time, the tradition has changed to make more accurate or effective. They learn lots of steps, they learn lots of hymns, they learn lots of using of key, high speech, low speech. Even they could learn to compose the different music, and their craft has continued through the century, and these things continue to the century. Even at that time, the modern musicians often having begun to learning to play the instrument very, very early in the life. The next, in contrast, that means comparison. There is a contrast means comparison. Contrast means comparison. To comparison with whom? Israeli pianist Matan Fesov. Now story is about Matan Fesov. This is the man, and his name is Matan Fesov. And when he came to his instrumental relative late, that means when he began to learn the instrument, he had a great interest to learn piano, to learn music, and almost all his life he served to compose music. he got several chances to perform, either public demand or either public concert or solo performance. Wherever he got the chance, he performed there, and people honor him, people respect him. How he means put and apply his finger on the keys, and he has the different means skill. He was 13 when he began to learn, but when he was 13, at that time he began to learn the piano, and he made off for lost time by making rapid progress. But in this time he had lost the time, but when he started to learn at the age of 13, he improved a lot, and he making rapid progress. Within few years he could able to stand as a pianist, and he worked hard for 10 years. How many years? He worked for 10 years. That means if he had learned the music at the age of 13, that means 10 years, that means 23, age of 23. Undertaking a regiment of, that means what is regiment? A regular act, a regular act of course. That means, in other words, if you find the real meaning of regiment, that means the certain things you are follow to keep you healthy and strong. But here it is a regulated course. That means he was doing a regular course to learn the piano. Okay. Training. Yes, here it is. You can see training and practice under two different teachers and mentors. He had two different teachers and mentors. The first was Mrs. Eva Malkin, while the second was Jonathan Jack, and he was the professor at Bachman Mehta School of Music in Tel Aviv University. With dedication and drive, he was great devotee of music. He was the great devotee of piano. With the dedication and drive, Fisher mastered the piano in under 10 years. That means he had completed his master degree, which is fit to be extremely proud of. That means fit to be, that means an achievement that require great courage or skill or strength. That means you got the degree, that means you are acquainted, you are approved to be a good musician. Then Fisher is a trained concert pianist. Then he attend lots of concert. Then he become a trained concert pianist, a piano recital, a formal public performance of music. Recital, that means the pianist should able to perform alone. He will show his talent alone in front of the public. That is a recital performance. And the recital performance, that at that time it was given by one or two musicians. And the piano recital as a type of performance was first invented in the 19th century. And performing, that means solo performance, this one invented in 19th century. And it was the composer Franz Liszt, who composed the solo performance in front of the public. And the same one you read about above. You have learned about Franz Liszt, and who decided that if he was playing a concert, the focus ought to be only on him. That means he want to brought the focus of public. He want to show his talent, and maximum number of people, they gather to listen, they gather to see this man. And this means, in other words, you can say that means extraordinary, the great talent. And yes, he had a great talent to attract the public, attract the people. And who decided that if he was playing a concert, the focus ought to be on him. Until then, concert had always included multiple musicians who shared the stage. Before that, the concert was shared by different type of musician. You can see one after one. Okay, but Lee used to memorable phrase, but he want to show different. He want to do different. And what he done? Lee concert, that means the concert is me in a letter to friend. Then concert is to me, and he is going to give a message to the public, a message to his friend. And in the year 1840, in the 1840, he pioneered the idea of solo performance. He brought that idea of solo performance. Now he achieved the success, and he would honor, and he did honor a solo performance, a pioneer. What is the meaning of pioneer? To be one of the first people. That means he became the first person and got the achievement of solo performer. And he even came up with the term solo recital. From that day, he came up a solo recital. Okay. So students, up to this I want to conclude. But in the next video, we will continue this story. It is very beautiful to learn about the piano, how the life of piano came into the life of human, and how it helped the music composer, especially music composer, to compose the different music, different hymns, different story. Okay. Students, I think this much is enough. In the next video, we will continue this chapter. Thank you. May God bless you.